In this video, I want to give you a little metaphor, analogy, to understand what personal growth and development is like and how you can use that to better yourself and other people. What's up, legends? Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So I'm in this park over here, with my daughter and wife swinging, and there's like trash everywhere, like more than usual. Sometimes there's just a couple like cigarette butts and a old beer can or something like that. There's a lot here. I don't know what's going on today, but they're over there on the swing set, and I look down and there's a broken glass bottle, just like shards of glass everywhere next to the swing. And more than usual, it kind of got me. I just found another one too. What are people doing? And so as I was scooping it up with my daughter's like sand filter toy, right? Like you sift through it, kind of like you're panning for gold. I was scooping it up and was having trouble finding some of the pieces. Like I got the big ones, right? And then I was sifting through. I was like, I know there's some more, and I kept getting like these bigger chunks of sand, these little ones. And I was thinking that they're kind of like, you know, your life's experiences. The little ones, the little grains of sand, are just the day-to-day, and then you got some bigger chunks that are more meaningful, more eventful pieces and experiences in your life. And then you have these clear shards of glass that are sometimes hard to find. You know, sometimes they seem like they would stick out. Sometimes they don't, and they kind of like, hide within there. And so I was sifting through it, and I kept finding no glass, and I just knew there was some more. And I got to thinking that this is also kind of like what we're doing with personal growth and development. You know, you got to go in and find your dangerous spots, your wounds, your weaknesses, the problems in your life, the things that you struggle with. And you got to clean it up. You got to proactively sift through that stuff, and it can be hard sometimes. It can feel like a waste of time when you could just kind of like sweep some sand over it, you know, and just cover it up. But also then, you know, you're responsible for that. You're responsible for what, if you knew that it was there and somebody gets hurt on it, you get hurt on it, family gets hurt on it, some other kid gets hurt on it. Well, you're the one that knew that it was there and left it there, right? And you could have taken care of it, but you didn't. And I think that's kind of that, you know, proactive energy that we need to better our lives. So I want you to just think about it a little bit. Think about like where in your life do you have some shards of glass in the playground of your childhood, you know, that you need to clean up and you got to deal with. And, you know, check with yourself. Is it time that you take care of that stuff, that you've left it there for too long, and it's bound to hurt somebody sooner or later? Even with all these experiences, all these sand particles, you know, grains of sand, there we go, that's the English, that still there's a chance that somebody is going to get hurt, and it might be you. If you're the only one playing here, it might be you. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. I've got to see what I'm going to do about this other shard of glass. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace. Da da da.